Prevent flood damage and avoid costly repairs with the easy-to-install, newly designed lead-free water heater auto-shutoff valve. This system not only detects leaks early, but it automatically shuts your water off in the event of a leak, alerting you with the control panel's alarm. Designed for both residential and commercial dwellings. The FloodStop FS3 NPT kit automatically shuts off the water supply to the water heater and sounds an alarm, leaving all other household fixtures and appliances operational. This kit includes everything you need to protect your property from costly water leak damage: motorized full-port ball valve, 3/4 inch NPT pipe threaded, a water sensor to be placed on the floor, and the control unit, which is mounted to your wall with the included screws. A power supply is included. You need to also install 4 AA batteries, not included, for backup power. Unit will beep to alert you of low or no batteries. The controller has one output contact, normally open, that can be attached to a dialer or security system so you can be alerted to a leak when not home. You can even add multiple water sensors for different areas around your water heater. If your water heater should begin to leak, the controller tells the water valve to close and alerts you with an 87 decibels alarm. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Prevent water damages. This automatic shutoff valve will trigger when a leak is detected from your water heater, potentially preventing 200+ gallons of water from leaking into your home. Number 2. Easy to install. The FloodStop valve is installed between the water heater and the manual shutoff valve, can be installed in 15 minutes. Number 3. Sensor at base of heater. The sensor part of this system is placed at the base of the water heater. As long as the sensor stays dry, the valve will stay open, permitting water to flow through to the heater. Number 4. Immediate shutdown. Once the leak sensor at the base of the heater senses moisture, the valve will immediately close off all water flow and sound alarms. Number 5. Certified lead-free. Certified lead-free under S3874, AB1953 with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Do you make a FloodStop unit for a 1.5 or 2 pipe? Answer. There is a model for a 1.5 pipe. That would be the FS 1.50 NPT. FloodStop does not make a 2 inches valve. Question number 2. What is the warranty? Answer. This product has a 1-year warranty from the manufacturer. Question number 3. If there's no electrical power, will the battery power the valve motor to turn off and on? Answer. Yes, the battery will power and operate the valve to open and close. If the system is powered strictly on battery, the batteries will last for about 1 year, as long as the valve is not being alarmed too often. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.